Greetings, everyone, and welcome to Career and Technology Education with Mr. Robinson, also known as Mr. Rob. Let me start by saying it is my pleasure to have this opportunity to play a role in your learning process. I'll take this time to introduce myself fully to you guys. My name is Chauncey Robinson. I am a 6th-year Career and Technology instructor at Piedmont Middle School. I have a bachelor's degree in history from South Carolina State University, go Bulldogs, and a master's degree from the University of Phoenix in business administration. In 2015, I joined Charlotte Mecklenburg Schools, and just like you, I am a learner. I look to learn something new every single day. During your time in CTE, we will strive to provide you with the skills, knowledge, self-awareness, and training necessary to succeed in future careers with the technological skills necessary to become lifelong learners and integral parts of a consistently changing economic environment. The CTE mission is to engage all students in rigorous and relevant learning in preparation for post-secondary education and careers. Here at Piedmont, we have high expectations for each of our scholars, and I look forward to being a guide throughout the year. I love Piedmont because there's a real family bond here. I'm excited to work with each of you this year, so let's build some lifelong connections. And together, let's make this semester a success.